Hello friends, welcome back to Wamson Mathematics class, higher education classes. In lecture line of solution of exact differential equation. In this session, I will discuss some examples which are based on exact differential equation. So let us start the introduction of exact differential equation. So the introduction in this module, the standard equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This is exact if and only if derivative m by derivative y is equal to derivative n by derivative x. This where m and n both are first order differential and continuous function. This m is also the function of x comma y, and this n is also a function of nx comma y. So this equation, standard equation, is said to be exact if and only if this condition is held. This is nothing but partial differentiation of m with respect to y, or this is also nothing but partial derivative of n with respect to x. Okay, so if this condition is hold, then solution is nothing but where m dx plus n dy is equal to constant. Here y as a constant, here n dy not term not containing x, मतलब that terms which are not contain x. Here write the term that not contain x. Clear? So this is our solution. Let us start the some examples which is based on this differential equation. So let the first example is that x plus 2y minus 2 x plus 2y minus 2 dx plus 2x minus y plus 2x minus y plus 3 dy is equal to 0. So here the m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So compare this equation to a standard equation. So the value of m is nothing but x plus 2y minus 2, and the value of n is nothing but 2x minus y plus ka 3. Now the according to condition, we find the derivative m by derivative y, the partial derivative with respect to y. So treat as x as constant. So the constant, the derivative of x is 0, the derivative of y into 2, so 2, and this constant is also 0, so total is what? 2. Here also the derivative n by derivative x, so the partial derivative with respect to x is, so here the x, so into 2 times, here the y treat as a constant, so 0, 3 is also treat as constant, so 0. So this, so they both are equal, so this is exact, this is exact. By this method we can check this equation is exact or not. So this condition satisfied, so the given equation is exact. Then solution, by definition m dx, so here m dx, here n dy is equal to constant. Here so m is what? X plus 2y minus 2 dx plus, here not containing x, so minus y plus 3, first write completely, 2x minus y plus 3 dy is equal to c. Here treat y as constant, here not containing x, so remove x, so this remove, So what is left? Minus y. Now integration with respect to x. So the integration of x with the integration of x square upon 2, the integration of 2y, so y is treated as constant, so multiple of x, and here minus 2x plus this plus minus minus y, so y square y2 and 3, so 3y is equal to constant. Now multiply by 2, so x square plus का 4 yx प्लस का सॉरी माइनस का 4x माइनस का वाई स्क्वायर प्लस का 6y इज इक्वल टू 2c, एंड नाउ 2c इज नथिंग बट c1. Take 2c is equal to c1 constant, because this is constant, so this is also constant. So the completely answer x square minus का 4x प्लस 4yx minus y square plus 6y is equal to c1. This is our answer. C1. So this is our answer. Let us start the another example of this lecture line. So what is the other example which is based on this theorems? So other example is nothing but 2ax plus by 2ax plus by dx plus ax plus 2by ax plus 2by is equal to dy is equal to 2by into x, here y, here y, here multiple of x, or into dy is equal to 0. So first we check this given differential equation is exact or not. So by the exactness condition, this is our m, this is our n. So by derivative m with respect to y, partial derivative with respect to y, so here x is as a constant, or y here is also y. So first this is completely y, so by chain rule another way. So first this is m is nothing but 2axy plus 2by square, and now diver m by diver y, so this is nothing but 2ax, and this is b, so 2by. Here also given n is nothing but ax x square, because this multiply, and 2b y x. So now diver n by diver x, so this treat as x, so here 2ax plus this also a variable, so 2by, here both 2ax 2by, so both equations satisfied. So this given equation is exact. So now solution is nothing but m dx plus n dy is equal to constant. Here treat y as constant, here not containing term, that is not containing x. So now put the value, so 2ax plus by, this is, or here multiple y, so y treat as constant, so take outside from integral sign, here dx plus this so in the whole equation ax plus 2by is equal to dy is equal to constant. Here condition is that the term that is not containing s, so this whole term become neglected, so this is neglected. So now integration, so y treat as constant, and now 2ax, so 2ax square by 2 plus byx is equal to what? C. So now 2 cancel out, ax square y plus v y square x is equal to c as a constant. So here is a xy is common, so xy is common, so here ax plus by is equal to constant. Yes, so this is this is our example. Now next example is next example. So next example is nothing but y into y into sine 2x dx, sine 2x dx minus times 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square plus cos x square x, cos square x dx is equal to 0. So first check this given differential equation of first order, first degree is exact or not. So by assuming that m is nothing but y sine 2x and n is nothing but so minus times 1 plus y square plus cos square x. Here n nothing but 1 plus y square plus cos square is written as, just see, cos 2x. Cos 2x nothing but 2 cos square x minus 1. Now this cos 2x transfer this to minus 1, so here it becomes positive. So here 2 cos square x now divided by 2. So this the value of cos square x is nothing but cos 2x plus 1 upon 2. So here divide, so 1 upon 2 plus cos 2x divided by 2 here dx. This is our m. Now diver m by diver y, so this treat as constant, so sine 2x and the derivative of y is 1. Here diver n by diver x, so this treat as constant, this treated as constant, because with respect to s our derivative is with respect to s, so these both terms are constant, so the derivative of these both terms is 0, so this is negative times this is also 0, and here cos 2x, so minus sine 2x and 2x into 2, and here divided by 2, so this cancel out, this is becomes positive of sine 2x. So both terms are equal, so we can say the given differential equation of first order, first degree is exact. So now solution, m dx plus n dy is equal to constant. Here the term, here m is nothing but y sine 2x dx plus n is nothing but negative times, so minus this 1 plus half, so 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 negative times, here minus y square negative times, and this constant, this term contain x, so neglect, into dy is equal to constant. So here y is constant, sine 2x cos 2x and divided by 2 plus here minus 3 by 2, sorry this negative terms, so minus 3 by 2 y, and here minus cube upon 3 is equal to c. Here 3 to 6, so that LCM of, so I multiply by 6, so 6y here multiply by 6, so here 6 and divided by 2, so 3 times 3y cos 2x minus here multiply 6, so 2 3 is 6 and 3 3 is 9 y, and here 3 2 is 6, 2y cube is equal to c, sorry 6 से multiply, so 6c, and we create we take choose 6c is equal to what, c1, 6c is equal to what, c1. So here here is a mistake. What mistake? The integration of sine 2x is nothing but minus times of cos 2x. So here minus times, now this negative, this negative, this negative, so we can choose, this is our answer, this is our answer. Hence let us start the now I give you a homework for revise the method is first problem solve by exact method. So first example is that solve y sin 2x dx and minus y square plus cos square x plus cos square x dx is equal to 0. Now second problem is nothing but x square minus ay this dx minus times ax minus y square dy is equal to 0 which is comes in Delhi mathematics, Delhi University math, Delhi University. So and third question is that dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equal to 2x minus y and divided by x plus 2y minus 5. That's all. Thank you for watching me.